Hello everyone, my name is Sergio Rabagán, the project manager, and today I will be discussing the status report for Lumberjack Marketing. Our sponsor is Dr. Scott Rupp, and this report will cover from January the 15th, 2025 to March 9th, 2025. If you would like to check more in details, please visit our website. Our main goal is to replace the current manual system with an easy-to-use Python-based tool. This new tool will help make sure that faculty work is divided fairly and reduce mistakes. We need to have this tool by the next academic year so that decisions can be made on time. Here is the main aims. We're planning to build a tool that is quick and correctly calculates faculty workloads using live data, make the process faster without losing accuracy, cut down manual work and errors, and provide clear reports that show how work is spread out. The software has three main components: user interface, which we're planning to make it as user friendly as possible to allow a nice transition to this new technology, a calculation engine, which is going to be a strong system that handles different teaching cases, and a report generation, which is going to automatically generate reports that use simple red, amber, and green statuses to create a color coded table. We are currently facing an issue. The calculation logic is taking longer than expected. For this, we're planning to adjust the schedule to handle any possible delays that come from this. Um, and the only major risk that can come from this issue is that the project might be delayed for a few weeks. Take a look at the schedule. First, we have the user interface, which we already have completed. It's a user-friendly interface that will allow the faculty a nice transition to this new technology. We are currently working on the data processing, but we are currently facing an issue that has already been identified. The calculation logic is more complex than we initially anticipated. In response to this, we are extending the data processing period by at least 1 week. The person in charge of making the necessary changes is going to be the engineering lead. And for the report generation, we have also identified an issue, which is the lack of the ABOR requirements. We are required to have our calculations compared to the ABOR expectations. In response to this, we're planning to make the necessary investigation on the ABOR requirements to make sure that everything the ABOR is expecting is on the report. There are other documents that need to be compared on it during this time, but we are not counting them towards the project itself. Now, to summarize this, we're planning to mitigate the impact of the calculation logic delay. Next, we want to complete the calculation module and then enter the report generation module. But for this, we're seeking help to investigate the Arizona Board of Regents requirements to make sure that everything that we need will be in the report generation. I would also like to acknowledge the development team for their diligence working on the project and transparent communication. Thanks to them, we were able to take quick action to change the schedule to allocate more time for the data processing module.